Hey guys, my name is Chanel and I am the skin therapist here at Bella. Right now I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about our blemish free kit and just kind of going over the products that come in the kit and how you're able to customize them based on your skin type and the conditions or any concerns that you might have with your skin. So I'm just going to go over everything. As you can see, the little card right here has all of the details, morning and night, how to use the products, and what's best to add on. So you have your purifying cleanser. So this is really good for oily clients who are acne prone, who might suffer from pigmentation, might have breakouts here and there. This product is extremely amazing for you based on it stripping that excess oil that's always there, but without stripping your natural oils. So with the ingredients in there, you have some willow bark, which is a natural salicylic acid. And some people don't know, but salicylic acid is the way to really decongest and strip that excess oil, but without taking away anything extra on your skin. So when you feel any dryness after you cleanse your face, that's something that you do not want to use because you should never feel like that. Also, you have some lemon oil in here, some orange peel, as well as some tea tree. Tea tree oil is one of the best ingredients to use that helps to kill bacteria before it even comes to the surface. So sometimes during hormonal time, especially when you have breakouts down here, I will cleanse, feeling something coming, and the very next day it's gone. Because of that tea tree, it's able to kill that bacteria prior to it coming to the surface. So, but you are, like I said, able to customize this. So say if you were a client where pigmentation is your issues, anti-aging is your issues, we have an essential cleanser that is great for those clients. It has a little bit of lactic acid in there, so that helps to exfoliate, as well as just bring those new beautiful cells to the surface so we can do everything else. If you're a client where you feel as though you're a little bit more sensitive, you can't really take certain things, or you're just not quite sure, and even pregnant clients as well, Sensitive Cleanse is extremely good for you. It's great for clients who have rosacea, any type of inflammation, any type of a topical disorder, anything like that. You're able to use that cleanser even when you are having chemical peels, any type of aggressive facial service, with the aloe in there, as well as that chamomile, that green tea, those cucumbers. It's able to heal, soothe, but at the same time it's taking away that excess oil that's there, the dirt, oil, debris, impurities. So those are our three main cleansers that we have. So like I said, based on your skin type, you'll be able to customize what's best for you. So then we have a toner. That is all, we only have one toner, so it's great for everybody, whether if you're sensitive, dry, normal, oily, this is the toner for you. It has a little bit of witch hazel in there, which it naturally will strip that excess oil again, because that's everything that we suffer from is excess oil. But it's also healing. It has that chamomile, it has that green tea, it has some aloe. It has some hyaluronic acid in there, so that's something that we naturally already have in our bodies. So it's going to be holding that water weight and giving you that extra glow. So this is like a drink of water for your skin right after that cleanse. And then we're going to move on to our polish. So polish is one of our most popular products that we have here at Bella. It is, I claim it to be like a microderm in a little box, honestly and truly. So it has some sea mineral crystals that will softly exfoliate that dead skin. It's not aggressive or anything like that, and you're visibly able to see a difference right then and there as soon as you rinse everything off. So after that polish, you would get into your Skin Bright. So Skin Bright is our vitamin C. So this is what helps to even that pigmentation. It helps with cellular renewal. So really giving you those new cells to the surface and just giving you that bright glow that everybody's looking for. So then after that, we also have a skin complexion. So this is used at night. Like I said, we do have our card where it lists everything, what to use during the day, what to use at night. So our complexion is strictly at night. This is like an extra boost of evening that skin complexion. Whatever it is that you're looking for to get everything even, this is able to be used face and neck as well, all of these products. Then we will move on to our Skin Quench. So Skin Quench is our hydrator. Dr. Myla does not believe in a moisturizer. It's sometimes a little too heavy for our skin, especially oily clients. You don't want to feel like something is on your face. So Skin Quench is one of our most popular products as well, where you'll just twist the top right on up, push it out, a little goes a long way, and it soaks right into the skin. Literally, quench. It will quench your skin. So it's an amazing product. You're able to use that any time of the day, so it's not like something where you just have to use it as soon as you wash your face. Say if you were a client where you might get a little red during the day or just have any type of irritations, you can just throw on some Skin Quench. I suffer from eczema, so anytime I have any type of breakouts or anything like that, I just throw on some Skin Quench. It calms everything down with that aloe in there, as well as that cucumber. It's very soothing, very relaxing. So it's one of the best products to really get just for anything. So it's great for any skin type. So then we will move on over to our Eye Bright. So this is things that all of us suffer from. Dehydration underneath the eyes, dark circles, puffiness. So that just comes from the environment, comes from lack of sleep. It just comes from not really cleansing our faces properly, all of those things. Not drinking enough water. It will show in your eyes. That is the most thinnest part and the most delicate part on your face. So our Eye Bright is filled with vitamin A, C, and E. So that helps to brighten those eyes and really give you that look that you're awake, you're fresh, everything like that. It also has that hyaluronic acid in there that we talked about earlier that is very moisturizing and just giving you that plump look underneath the eyes. And then at the same time, it has peptides in there. So proven peptides to help relax the muscles, those fine lines that you see underneath those eyes. As this is applied twice a day, you're able to see those fine lines getting filled and a tighter look. Another things don't know is that this can be applied as a primer for makeup. So when you put that under eye makeup and sometimes you get that creasing, it's really good to always use a primer. So this would be your moisturizing primer for the makeup lovers. So just put it right underneath the eyes. Doesn't have to be right underneath, just put it slightly right above that bone and just let it travel up. And then we have our skin texture. So this is our retinol. Honestly and truly, this is our anti-aging formula. So it's filled with some vitamin A. The best thing about this, fills in fine lines, wrinkles. It helps with pore size, texture. You see a big difference literally the first night. I use this every day so I can speak on it. I believe in it truthfully. And you have a glow when you wake up. So this is only used at night. A lot of people don't know, but that's when your skin rejuvenates itself. So that is why it's only used at night. And it's very, very important that if you are taking skin texture, that you are wearing sunscreen daily. No matter if this is not in your regimen, this is the number one thing that you always have to remember every single day after you finish during your morning with your morning routine. Sunscreen. A lot of people don't know that's the number one thing that ages you is the sun. So the best thing about our sunscreen in it, it has the 2 active ingredients. That's the only ingredients that you would need in a sunscreen, as well as the color as well. It is tinted, so it's not that white cast. It's not extremely thick or anything like that. It blends very, very nicely into any skin tone and gives you that just nice glistening look, but without feeling any type of oil residue. So I just wanted to let you know that these 3 are what you would add on in your kit. And then these are the things that come in your kit. So, like I said, this is the blemish free. So you will have your cleanser, your tone, your polish, your skin bright with your vitamin C, and your skin complexion and your sunscreen. Those things come in that kit already, and these are optional to add on. So like I said, we also have other kits as well. So if you have a Forever Young, that is our anti-aging one. That is Dr. Myla's signature line that she uses every night as well. And some of these things are included in that kit. And then we have our Pretty and Polish, which is good for all skin types. So if you're not really sure where you fall in, you kind of just want to try and see, Pretty and Polish kit would be for you. You're able to customize everything. Like I said, add on certain things that you would need, and everything would be good. Thank you so much for watching, and I want everyone to feel pretty using our Pretty Skin RX.